Hi, I'm Dr. Elizabeth Naylor, founder and CEO of Ebenezer Wellness and the Purify program. I started my journey with natural health at the age of 35 with 3 small children and discovered at that point in my life that our health was not going the direction that I wanted it to be going. Everyone in my family seemed to be getting sicker and sicker every winter. We were all run down, we were stressed, and I wanted a different approach, a different way to look at health. And so I began a journey at that point that took many years to find healthcare professionals that I could really trust and really understand how to address our health in a different way than just running to the doctor to get a prescription every time we had the sniffles. And so I, at that point, developed a passion to help others find those types of professionals long before many years had passed. And I, at that point, got certified as a holistic nutritionist and began a journey on a doctorate in holistic nutrition. I just recently completed my doctorate, and the research was on the value of the 21-day purification program with coaching to support health goals. And the health goals that we looked at in particular in our research were weight loss, waist to hip circumference, and also the self-confidence or awareness to stay the course in eating a healthy diet. We also looked at symptomatology, which simply means how many symptoms someone's experiencing. And what we found is that 65% of the people who participated in the purification program had a dramatic reduction in their symptoms. And this is great news, and this is really what I've experienced with hundreds of clients over the last 8 years in my practice. Many of my clients come back and do the purification program at least once a year, and some of them twice a year or even 3 times a year, depending on their health goals. I decided to found the Purify program, which incorporates the 21-day purification program, the hair analysis, and the coaching program in order to support your health goals as you make a transition from the standard American diet, maybe the standard way you've been looking at your health, to really learning more about holistic nutrition and holistic health practices. If you'd like to learn more about each of these 3 components, you can click the link, and that's going to take you to a page where there'll be a video and information about each of those 3 and help you further understand the value that Purify might have in your life.